So this is how you can check login activity on Instagram on your iPhone. So at first, what you need to do is to open up the Instagram app and essentially just scroll down. At first, head over to the settings of your Instagram right there, tap on the three dots. And as you are in here, I want you to scroll down until you get it to the privacy section. So you're going to be able to find the privacy center right here. And you can use the search bar at the top to look up the word login. So when you look that up, you can see that there are the login alerts, which can be customized. So if you have Facebook installed or connected, then it's going to be like customizable in here as well. But just tap on Instagram, and in there, you can choose the login alerts and where specifically they appear on email. So retroactively, you can open up the email address, which you have right here, and just look up the Instagram login keywords, and you're going to be able to see every time you've been logged in to Instagram as you received it as a notification through your email. So you can come back and check out all of the instances and all of these situations whenever you are logged in. It's going to let you know about the exact time as well as the location, the device used, and it's going to be like a great way to keep track of that. You always have access to your email, so it's pretty simple to keep track of this. So this is how I would recommend you to go about this. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to pull it off and get it to work. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.